Here's a video to show you how to fix your Leaky Owala water bottle. The first thing is just to make sure the lid's on tight. If the lid's on tight and it's still leaking, it can only be two problems. You want to take the lid off and then pop the top. You want to look right here, number one. This is a rubber stopper. I'm going to pull this thing out and take a look at it. Make sure there's no chunks missing out of it. Make sure it's not brittle and it looks good. If it doesn't, it needs to be replaced. There's a link in the description to find these. This one looks good, so I'm just going to put it right back in. The only other thing it could be is the rubber ring at the bottom here, and this one is actually missing. This is the culprit right here. You need a rubber ring right here. If you don't have one, or if you take it out with a butter knife and find that there are chunks missing off of it, you're going to need to get a new one. The link's in the description below for this as well. You're just going to take it, put it right in the slot there, all the way around, and then you're good to go. I hope you found this video helpful. If it was, give us a thumbs up.